Girl, you make me car sick. Late night.
Welcome back, our loyal customers. Today's special is our zesty orange cake. Grab a seat while we prepare your order.
For every trick you say or do, 'cause I'm unstable.
You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes.
For the cake base, I start with oil to make my foundation batter a lot more smoother and hydrated. Next, add your foundation shade with a brush to make your base flawless. A pro tip is to always blend and blend so there are no streaks left on your cake.
Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The thought of you leaves me weak. There are no words.
If you have an oily and cakey skin, I highly recommend you to glaze your base lightly with translucent powder.
Good to be true.
Ding ding! The oven is done cooking your cake mix, so that means it must be toasted on its edges. Use your cocoa powder contour to imitate that effect. To melt all the powdery concoctions in place, spritz your face with any face mist of your choice. Moisturize your lips as well with your favorite lip balm. To give dimension to your eye, run the same cocoa contour on your lid space with the wiper shield motions. And brush on your nose as well. Next is to highlight your base a lot more with a lighter shade of foundation or concealer. This helps to make your features stand out a lot more.
I wanna hold you so much. Long last love has arrived. Thank God that I'm alive.
Set that with your translucent powder once more so it won't slip off your bead. Back to the eyes, let's start adding the orange frosting to tie up this dish. Don't forget to smudge that on your lower lash line as well. Next, it's to add your black frosting to add more details for the look. Add thickness to it depending on your eye shape.
I saw for you. I love you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need to, baby.
Modify that frosting with a black powder to create a more smudged look. Smoke that on your lower lash line as well.
Oh, pretty baby, don't let me down.
I've been recently in love with the fox eye trend, so I also added this to the look. Faux beauty marks are so cute, so I'm adding them under both of my eyes.
Would you like coffee or
And on the tip of my nose bridge as well. Returning back to the eyes, I add a glitz of shimmery orange flakes on my lid and on my outer lash line to create that faint ichthyosaur effect. Or did I pronounce that right? I don't know. To top off our orange cake fantasy, it is a must to sizzle your face with orange blush. Of course, don't forget that nose as well. Finishing off your base, mattify and lighten your T-zone area with a foundation that is 2 to 3 shades lighter than your natural skin color. Sprinkle a dash of gold glitter highlight on your nose tip and nose bridge.
what is your favorite?
Your inner corner,
Let's take a trip out to LA.
and your cupid's bow for sheen light reflect.
Doesn't really matter to me.
For our lips, I start out with the pink lippy as our base to make the layered colors a lot more vibrant. Add an orange tint or lipstick, and later tap on a generous amount of an orange eyeshadow to make the look more cohesive. Bon appetit! I hope you enjoyed today's orange cake dish. Come back to the sweet room next time for more treats. Bye bye.
That love is like coffee, bitter and sweet, but it's all true.